Another ghost. I mean, how many ghosts do you need? How many ghosts do you need? Too many ghosts. Too many ghosts. Too many ghosts. Next, right here is a big baller's car. Okay, you gotta wear a jacket like this. You gotta wear something like this. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like maramami. Yo, what is good? You know what time it is. This is your boy, Gillian Einstein with Fantasy Motorsports. You ready? Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Come on. You did? All right. Come in. Let me show you what we got. It's a little tour. Don't get too excited. Just comment below. Let's get it. Ta-da! Here we got a Rolls-Royce Ghost. Okay, the whole interior is gonna be customized. It's gonna be brand new, better than brand new. Different look. You want to stay tuned for that. We're gonna show you the final product. Come on, follow me. Oof, look, oof. Take a picture. You see this right here? Look at this Porsche right here. It was looking nothing like this when it first came in. Nothing, literally nothing. We fully transformed this Porsche. Now it looks brand new. Look at that color. Look at the blue. Woof. Show them. Woof. Look at that. Woof. Look at this. Oh, this is something else. Look at the calipers. We did the calipers too. Show them. Make sure they see that. Oof. Take a picture. Oof. Oof. So what's next to this? So everything is almost done. All we got left to this is the ceramic. We're gonna do the Ceramic Pro PPF. Ceramic Pro PPF to make it shinier, looking even better than what it is right now. Make sure you take a look at it. We're gonna show you the final product whenever it's done, okay? Next, right here is a big baller's car, okay? You gotta wear a jacket like this. You gotta wear something like this. You know what I'm saying? Like maramami. You gotta wear something like this to fit in this car. You know what I'm saying? Like, take a look. You know what I'm saying? Oof. Show them. Make sure they see this. Make sure they see that. Look at that. Oof. Look at that baby. Baby, don't trade. Oof. Look at me. Hold on. Let me see that. You know what I'm saying? What we're doing to this car, we're gonna wrap it. Can you imagine this? Look at what it is now. Imagine when it's done. And also the interior, what you saw right now, is gonna be different. Totally transformed. When it's done, it's gonna be epic. So everything here is gonna change. The interior is gonna change. So stay tuned for that. You don't wanna miss this. You don't wanna miss this at all. Next, it's gonna be, come on. Next, it's gonna be this. Another ghost. I mean, how many ghosts do you need? Too many ghosts. You know what I'm saying? So look at this. We did something special to it, okay? It was not looking like this. It was a little bit dirtier than this. But we did it with detail. We detailed this, so now it looks better than what it was. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't touch this. You know what I'm saying? So now it looks shinier than what it was at first. Stay tuned. Come on, sir. Over here. It's a little bit too loud out here, but it's okay because people are working, you know what I'm saying? Over here, we got a Tesla Model X. We did a brand new lighting trends. It's something special. Let me show you a little bit. Let's pause this video and show you a little bit.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
You saw it? You saw that video? You saw that? You saw the light? That's clean. That's what we did to this. Now we're getting it ready for the customer. The customer's gonna come and pick it up. You know, we gotta make sure it's clean. The customer's gonna be happier when they see this. You know what I'm saying? Right here, it's Akran. Hey, yes. It's a master cleaner, Ceramic Pro guy, everything. You know what I'm saying? You wanna talk to him when you come here for a Ceramic Pro. You wanna talk to this guy. Alright? So next is gonna be what? We got a Range Rover right there. It's not that special. What else we got? Oh, come on. Over here, I don't know. Can we open this? Show them. This was looking nothing like this. You know, we're customizing everything. Interior, sound system, the seats, everything. You know what I'm saying? You want to stay tuned for that. We're gonna show you guys the final product, okay? You want to stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss this. What else we got? We got this Tesla right here. We're probably doing calipers. We're probably gonna do some other stuff to it. You know what I'm saying? You want to stay tuned for that. What else we got? Come on. So right here, we got a Tesla Model S. We're doing the chrome delete. We're doing chrome delete. We're doing some other stuff to it. You know, some special, but not too much. You know what I'm saying? You want to keep it clean. You want to do something to it, but you still want to keep it clean. All right, follow me. Now over here, we got this Mercedes. We're wrapping the whole car in Satin black. You see, it's halfway done. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. You know what I'm saying? You want to stay tuned to see the final product? Look at this. It's almost there. You know, it's still working on it. Still working on it. It's gonna come out epic. You don't want to miss that. This right here, the Tesla Model Y, it's almost done. It's about like 95% done. You just gotta put some parts to it, and then just gonna complete it. It is a satin dark gray thing. Yeah, satin dark gray wrap. Lots of people come here for this wrap. This wrap is pretty popular. Like if you check out our YouTube channel right now, you will see lots of testers with this type of wrap on it. People love this wrap. I don't know what it is about it, but the people love it. You know what I'm saying? You want to stay fresh with it. You want to stay fresh with this wrap. It gives your car a different look. You know what I'm saying? It's almost there. It's almost there. Just a little bit, some touches, and then it's complete. You know what I'm saying? You want to stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did not subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos from Fantasy Motorsports. We're going to bring out more fire vlogs, more exotics. You already know how it is. You know how we roll out here. Ceramic Pro, wrap. This is one-stop shop, okay? You want to stop here. You want to come here. You want to get your stuff done. This is the spot, okay? I'll catch you guys next time. This was Fantasy Motorsports. We out.